This is Speak It, and the title of our story today is Jim and Kim's 6 Pink Pigs. And we are learning to read with words having the sound A. Are we ready? Let's start. This is Jim. Jim lives on the hill. A fig tree is on the hill. Jim will sit under the fig tree. Jim will fix his wig with a pen. Jim has 6 pink pigs. Jim keeps the 6 pink pigs on the hill. Jim will mix pills for his 6 pink pigs. Jim's 6 pink pigs are big and fit. This is Kim. Kim lives in the mill. It is a bit dim in the mill. Kim will sip tea in the mill. Kim will pick the pins into the bin. Kim has 6 pink pigs. Kim's 6 pink pigs are in the mill. Kim will not mix pills for his 6 pink pigs. Kim's 6 pink pigs are slim and sick. This is a fish. It is a big fish. The fish is in a thick, thin tin. The fish has a big fin and gill. The fish has a ring in its fin. The fish can sing with its gill. There is a bed, so when the fish. Jim and Kim like the fish. Jim and Kim will not pay any bill to win the bid. They can win the bid with the pigs. The fish will go to the pigs that can dig a pit. Jim's 6 big pink pigs are fit. Kim's 6 slim pink pigs are not fit. Jim's 6 big pink pigs will win the bid. Kim's 6 slim pink pigs will not win the bid. Kim wants his 6 sick slim pigs big and fit. Jim will give Kim a tip and a kit. The tip and kit will make Kim's slim 6 sick pink pigs big. Kim gave the 6 sick slim pink pigs the pills in the kits. Now here are words with the sound A. Bane, pain, 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 pig, wig, kids, pail, hill, mill. And here are word families having the sound A in the story. Egg, big, dig, fig, ill, bill, gill, aim, dim, Jim, Kim, slim, in, when, thin. Other examples are ip, sip, tip, ick, pick, sick, it, bit, fit, pit, sit, in, rain, sing, thin, X, fix, mix, 6, 8, bait. Okay, and before we go, here are a few questions from the story. Number 1. Jim lives on the good eel. Number 2. Kim lives in the good meal. Number 3. Jim's 6 pink pigs are big and correct. Fix, fit, fit. Number 4. Kim's 6 pink pigs are slim and good. Sick. Number 5. The fish has a ring in its good fin. Number 6. The fish will go to the pigs that can dig are good pits. And the last question is, Jim gave Kim a tip and are good kids. Correct. And this is the end of our story. You can click the link below to download the story with worksheet materials. And don't forget to follow us on our social media page on Instagram and Facebook. See you later. Bye.